Hello all, Chet here from Chet's Adventures Beyond. From TSA at E gates going down to D gates. I also know you can take the elevators, which are both spots here. And heading down. Okay. Oh, wow. Gallery. This is pretty cool. Lady. Greetings from Vegas. Stardust. Moulin Rouge. Las Vegas. Wow. Some pretty cool things. Anyways. Let's come down through the other side there. We're going to head on down. These are heading down. Okay. Transit to D gates. So, was right earlier on another video where so you have to take the elevator up if you want to go up to the east. Anyways, we're gonna hop on the tram here soon. Okay, so down underneath where the E gates are here in Las Vegas. So for your safety, please do not climb on the rabbit. Selfies are encouraged. Anyhow, that's a pretty cool rabbit. We're gonna go head on to the train, to the D, A, B, and C gates.
The red line to D gates will arrive shortly.
Here we go. Anyhow, red line to D gates. Red line to D gates. They both go same place. Alright, get down over here and we'll hop on the red line in just a bit. This will also connect you to A, B, and C gates. So there goes that train, and we'll be getting on the next train.
The red line to D gates will arrive shortly.
Going from E gates over to D gates. It's hard to see.
This tram is going to D gates. Please hold on to a post or handbrake.
It's kind of hard to see. Into the station. Alright, so all the cool artwork on the side of the wall to come out from the E to D gates. Same with the other side. And this is where it comes out right here. And you can go to any other of the back over that way or hop back on. That side over there too. Anyway, there's the D gates. You're heading from the D gates or from A, B, and C gates. Go down to the E gates here. It's on the red line. This is take you over to Terminal 3. And we have them on both sides. So you pick which one you want to use. Either one. Both go to the same place. Whichever ones you want to take off.
This station is for Terminal 3 ticketing,
Redline.
baggage claim, and the e-gates. For the next round, the Terminal 3 baggage claim
Anyways,
for all international carriers.
Heading from the D gates over to the E gates.
Please stand clear of the tram doors.
Here we go.
This train is going to Terminal 3 for baggage claim, ground transportation, ticketing, and e-gates. Please hold on to a post marked in green.
It's not that long of a train. It's nice.
So it's still in the moving.
If you're coming from the D gates, going to the E gates, here is one of the exits for it. And up over on the other side there is exits. And this is where you would go over to the D gates. Also A, B, and C gate connections. This has where you can go out to the baggage claim. And you also have the interactive information booth right here as well. Here's a pretty cool thing here. More artwork for the airport. This is, I think it's the hair. Anyway, it's a pretty fun little thing. Safety, do not climb or sit on the rabbit. Anyways, take the elevators up there if you need to, or you can go up to, looks like baggage claim, and bridge to parking, and as you pick up the E-gates, you use those too. So yeah, anyways, going up. If you're coming from the D, A, B, and C gates on the underground connection, and you're going to be going up to the E gates, just as a reminder, you have to use these elevators to go up if you want to stay within the pretty much sterile secure area, to not have to come back through TSA. Have to take the elevator. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. Ring or click that notification bell for more future video updates. And as always, have fun, stay safe wherever your adventures may take you. Enjoy.